This is a 4-story townhouse, brand new for sale, located in Barangay Hagdan Bato, Itaas, owned by the Saplan family. Meron kasi ditong last unit na natirang last unit available. Let's go here on the left side. Andito siya sa bandang dulo. End unit. Ito po siya. Ito yung garage na. This is the garage area. You can park as 2 cars. Let's get inside pa ng bahay na ito. Ito po yung stairs niya going on the 2nd floor. Dito sa 1st floor, meron siyang isang, I think medium size na kwarto to. Pwede sa mga kasama ninyo sa bahay na elderly. Tapos on the, as you walk pa, ito, may maliit na space dito. Pwedeng ano yun, storage. Dito po, meron siyang toilet and bath. A little bit forward, meron dito siyang laboratory. You can convert it as a laundry area. This is the stairs going to the 3rd floor. Ito yung magiging living area mo. Ito. A little here will be your dining area. Ayan ang kitchen. Ayan. Very spacious ang townhouse na ito dahil ito po ay a total of 70 square meters in lot area. At the 2nd floor, meron na rin siyang toilet and bath. Ayan. Very spacious ang kanyang magiging ito. Dining area. This is your kitchen. Ayan yung mga kitchen cabinet niya. Ito ang magiging living area mo. Ayan, spacious. Ito po yung pinakaharap ng townhouse. Ayan. Ayan yung iyong mga neighborhood. Let's go now to the 3rd floor. At my left side, ito yung 1st bedroom. Built-in cabinet dyan. Meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. This is the toilet and bath on the 1st room. We're still here on the 3rd floor. On the right side, meron din siya dito. Another big or spacious bedroom. Yan po yung kanyang wardrobe cabinet. Yung door niya. May salamin, may window sa gilid. Ayan po. Mas malaki to kumpara dun sa 1st room na pinasok ko. Pero nandito pa rin ako sa 3rd floor. Ayan po, may sarili siyang toilet and bath. We're now to proceed on the 4th floor. Sa 4th floor, meron siyang another room. Smaller dun sa 1st and 2nd room. Ito po siya. Ayan, may cabinet din siya. This can be your 8th room. As we go further, meron siyang toilet and bath. Ay, no. It's just a CR. Meron pa rin itong maliit na space for the lavatory. And the exciting about this unit, meron siyang very big, very spacious na balcony. Ito also wide. Ayan po. This is the fourth and last floor. Ayan. Ayan po ang inyong kapitbahay. Ayan, katapat ninyo. You're living, this townhouse is a gated compound, has its own gate on every unit. Ayan po. Very spacious yung kanyang balcony on the fourth floor.